All right, on the OKK MDV55. Spindle is running. It just stopped. All right, Jeff, or Joe, have it do a go change. It just stopped. And then it's just going back into a time down program. I'm gonna put the phone right up to the spindle and be quiet. You hear the air hissing. I'm gonna put my phone right on the spindle. Okay, gonna try that again. Another video, put my phone right on the spindle. You hear the spindle bearings are very quiet. Display. All the soft keys intact. Fanuc keys. And then all the soft keys on the panel. All of them are in good shape. None of them beat up, cracked, falling off. Side machine. This machine does have a through coolant high pressure system, cool jet. Back of the machine, there is no chip conveyor. Machine did not come with one. Air system. Spindle cooler. Oil level. Lube tank. .20 tool magazine. As usual, just a couple chips down in that bottom area. Alright, going to show the inside of the machine. Screw conveyor. Screw conveyor this side. Right now, Joe's just MPG the table back and forth. This side here. All right, the table power track is intact. We've got the side access cover off. So at least see, it's not where chips are packed in everywhere. Alright, here we got a program table, just rapid feeding. Like right up to 1,000 inches a minute.